For decades, the night sky has held our gaze, a canvas for dreams of what lies beyond. Amidst the familiar twinkle of stars, there have always been whispers of something more. Objects that move in ways we can't explain, lights that flicker and vanish without a trace. These are the enigmatic subjects of countless stories, theories, and investigations. UFOs and UAPs. UFO, short for unidentified flying object, is a term that's become synonymous with extraterrestrial visitors in popular culture. It conjures up images of sleek spaceships and encounters with beings from other worlds. However, the term itself is far simpler and broader. A UFO is any aerial phenomenon that cannot be immediately identified. In recent years, the term UAP, or Unidentified Aerial Phenomena, has gained traction, particularly within scientific and defense communities. This shift in terminology reflects a move towards a more neutral and analytical approach. UAP encompasses a wider range of potential explanations, removing the immediate association with extraterrestrial hypotheses that often accompanies the term UFO. Whether we call them UFOs or UAPs, the core question remains the same. What are these unexplained objects in our skies? Are they misidentified aircraft, natural phenomena, or something altogether more extraordinary? The quest for answers has captivated humanity for generations, fueling scientific inquiry, sparking public imagination, and challenging our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The modern fascination with UFOs can be traced back to the mid-20th century, a time when the world was grappling with the dawn of the atomic age and the possibilities of space exploration. It was against this backdrop of technological advancement and Cold War anxieties that the stage was set for what would become one of the most enduring mysteries of our time. In the summer of 1947, a rancher near Roswell, New Mexico, stumbled upon debris scattered across his land. The incident quickly captured national attention, fueled by rumors of a crashed flying disc and a government cover-up. While the official explanation pointed to a downed weather balloon, the Roswell incident cemented itself in public consciousness as the quintessential UFO event, igniting a wave of public interest and speculation that continues to this day. As reports of strange sightings continued to surface, the United States Air Force launched Project Blue Book in 1952. This comprehensive investigation aimed to catalog and analyze UFO sightings, seeking to determine if these objects posed a threat to national security or held any scientific significance. For nearly 2 decades, Project Blue Book meticulously documented thousands of cases. While the vast majority of sightings were ultimately attributed to conventional aircraft, weather phenomena, or hoaxes, a small percentage remained unexplained. Project Blue Book concluded in 1969, stating that no evidence of extraterrestrial activity had been found, but acknowledging that some cases remained unidentified. This conclusion, far from settling the debate, only served to deepen the mystery. In recent years, the conversation surrounding UFOs and UAPs has taken on a new level of seriousness, moving from the fringes of conspiracy theories to the halls of government and the scrutiny of scientific inquiry. This shift has been driven in part by the Pentagon's acknowledgement of UAPs and the release of previously classified reports. In 2021, the Pentagon released a highly anticipated report that examined 144 UAP sightings reported by military pilots and personnel between 2004 and 2021. The report, while acknowledging the lack of conclusive evidence to explain most of the sightings, marked a significant turning point. It represented an official acknowledgement by the US government that UAPs represent a legitimate area of inquiry, particularly given their potential implications for national security and aviation safety. The 2024 Pentagon report, building on the previous year's findings, revealed a significant increase in reported UAP sightings. This surge in reports suggests a growing awareness and willingness within the military to document and investigate these phenomena. However, despite the increased attention and analysis, the majority of sightings remain unidentified. The Pentagon's reports, while offering a glimpse into the government's data on UAPs, have also highlighted the limitations of current understanding. Many sightings lack sufficient data for conclusive analysis, hampered by factors such as brief observation times, sensor limitations, and environmental conditions. The scientific community's response to UFOs and UAPs has been marked by a balance of healthy skepticism and a growing call for rigorous investigation. This cautious approach is rooted in the fundamental principles of the scientific method, which demands extraordinary evidence for extraordinary claims. Skepticism, a cornerstone of scientific inquiry, plays a crucial role in separating genuine anomalies from misinterpretations or hoaxes. Many scientists point out that the vast majority of UFO sightings can be attributed to mundane explanations, such as misidentified aircraft, weather balloons, birds, or atmospheric phenomena. Optical illusions, camera artifacts, and human perception can also contribute to misinterpretations of aerial events. However, within the scientific community there is also a growing recognition that a small percentage of UAP sightings defy easy explanation. These unexplained cases present both a challenge and an opportunity for scientific exploration. Scientists who advocate for further research emphasize that even if these phenomena are not evidence of extraterrestrial technology, they could reveal new insights into atmospheric physics, optical phenomena, or other areas of scientific inquiry. The lack of conclusive evidence for extraterrestrial explanations does not negate the value of investigating UAPs. Science thrives on pushing the boundaries of knowledge, and the study of unexplained phenomena has historically led to significant scientific advancements. In the quest for understanding UFOs and UAPs, transparency remains a crucial element. Governments, researchers, and enthusiasts alike are pushing for more open access to information. They believe that only through sharing data and findings can we hope to unravel the mysteries that have puzzled humanity for decades. The search for answers is not just about identifying unknown objects in the sky, but also about fostering a culture of openness and collaboration. By working together, we can move closer to uncovering the truth that lies beyond our current understanding. The phenomenon of UFOs and UAPs has, without a doubt, left a profound mark on our culture. From movies and TV shows to books and art, these mysterious objects have sparked the imagination of countless individuals. It's fascinating to see how they've shaped our collective psyche, influencing everything from science fiction to mainstream media. The cultural impact is, well, truly undeniable. In recent years, the study of UFOs and UAPs has increasingly involved advanced technology and interdisciplinary research. Scientists from various fields, including physics, engineering, and even psychology, are collaborating to uncover the mysteries behind these phenomena. The use of cutting-edge technology, like high-resolution imaging and sophisticated radar systems, is helping to bring more clarity to what was once shrouded in mystery. It's an exciting time for researchers as each new discovery brings us closer to understanding these enigmatic objects. Despite the advancements in technology and research, many questions about UFOs and UAPs remain unanswered. What are they? Where do they come from? And what do they want? These questions continue to fuel the fascination and curiosity of both scientists and the general public. The ongoing quest for answers keeps the discussion alive and vibrant, making it a topic that never seems to lose its allure. It's this very sense of mystery that keeps us all so captivated. In today's world filled with uncertainty, the pursuit of understanding UFOs and UAPs takes on even greater significance. As we strive to make sense of these unexplained phenomena, we also find ourselves grappling with larger questions about our place in the universe. The journey to uncover the truth is not just about the objects in the sky, but about our own quest for knowledge and meaning. It's a pursuit that challenges us to think beyond the conventional and to embrace the unknown with open minds and curious hearts.